इस साल का बजट डे was super eventful. Here's the day's biggest news. The equity indices witnessed the biggest day gains in absolute terms in history. Sensex was 5% higher when trading closed and Nifty closed 4% higher. ये इतने sharp jump की वजह क्या है? चलिए देखते हैं. This video has 3 parts: healthcare, economy and the finance sector. Part 1: Healthcare. The budget announced that over the next 6 years, the government will build 17,788 rural and 11,024 urban health centers. The government also announced new health checkpoints at airports, seaports and land crossing areas. This will ensure India's disease control systems are stronger from this point on. Part 2: Economy. The FM announced more developments in the Atmanirbhar Bharat programs. These expanded programs will directly touch 13% of national GDP. Part 3: The finance sector. The FM also announced the creation of new fintech hub as well as an investor charter that will protect the interest of all the investors. FDI limits in the insurance sectors were raised from 49% to 74%. FM also announced a recapitalization of more than 20,000 crores to help the public sector banks. इसके अलावा बजट में कुछ बैंक्स को प्राइवेटाइज करने का एंड नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट्स को कम करने का भी जिक्र हुआ। इन पॉजिटिव अनाउंसमेंट्स की वजह से निफ्टी बैंक ने बजट डे पर 8% से ज्यादा गेन किया, द बिगेस्ट वन डे जंप एवर। द गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो मेड अ पॉजिटिव अनाउंसमेंट फॉर द सीनियर सिटीजंस. Any retired Indian with just a pension and interest income doesn't have to file an income tax return from this year. लास्ट ईयर सीनियर सिटीजन्स को काफी तकलीफों का सामना करना पड़ा। ये गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से एक हेल्पफुल स्टेप है। फॉर savvy investors, the budget day was a great day. Has the stock market entered a bull phase? The coming months will give a clear answer. For now, the budget has announced the government's intentions. The government will invest in India's infrastructure, domestic manufacturing capacity and financial sector while strengthening our healthcare system. The signs for an economic recovery look positive. Check out Angel Broking's in-depth budget report for more details.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.